Like snort.
Love is a drug that I can't quit. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. This is a link which somebody shared moments ago in one of the groups, and this is a sample of the type of post they are sharing on social media that put many of you at the risk of getting hacked. Either they hack your bank account, your phone, or any device that you might be using. So I just want to demonstrate how this thing works and how they get your information. Now I will just open the link. So as you can see, the link reads fgn-gov-ng.online. Maybe when you open it, you might think this is a government website, but it is not. So the first thing is they tell you that they are recruiting 200,000 people, and you have to fill your information, starting with your name, your last name, and your graduation year. Now, I'm not going to put anything. I will just click on next. I don't have to waste my time because website is fake. If it is good, it won't allow me to click on continue without filling the form. So I'll just click on continue. And now if you notice, the website is very heavy. It's not opening immediately. It's because thousands of people are filling their data right now as I'm doing this. So I'm not the only one on this page right now. A lot of people are filling the form, and don't say my internet is slow. No, I'm on a Wi-Fi, very fast internet. Now look at this. They want you to provide your contact number and your email address and then your city. So they can use your phone number to do whatever they want. They can use your email as well. And nowadays they have friends at many telecommunication companies like MTN, whatever. So they can swap your phone number at any point in time and copy the OTP, whatever they are sending. Now I will not fill this too. I will just click on next to show you that the website is not legitimate. I'm just clicking next without filling the information. Now they say you are almost done. Now they need you to share this information with at least 15 people or groups to complete the application. Now if I click on finish, they will send me a notification that I cannot finish unless I share with minimum of 15 groups. Now let me share. By the time I share, it brings me back to where I started. This is exactly the link I found in the group. Same, just look at it. Check the one on top, check the one below. It's same thing. So stop wasting your time on sharing this stuff. And this, wallahi, they are dangerous. They are dangerous because this information is more than enough to hack everything that is connected to you, whether your bank statement or your bank account, your phone, your computers, whatever. And please, before sharing such kind of information, try to authenticate or check whether this thing is authentic or not. Please try to do that. Otherwise, you are endangering many people. You are endangering people by sharing. Okay, this is an awareness, and I hope you will share this video with others. Let people see how exactly they are doing this and to know that this is fake. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Like snort.
Love is a drug that I can't quit.